Hey there, I'm Douglas from Draftbit, and in this video we're going to be diving into the file picker action. This is a powerful tool that lets users select files from their device storage and returns the file in base64 format. This action is great for handling documents, PDFs, and text files. With this action, we're able to retrieve the file, and then below that we can add a custom action to then send this file to the server. In this video, we're going to walk through how to add a file picker action, configure its properties, and how to handle the selected file data. Let's get started. First, I'm going to add a button, and I'm going to call this button pick file. Then I'm going to head over to the buttons interaction, and on press, I'm going to search for select file. Let's go over the key settings available in the file picker action. First, we have the return name and value. When enabled, the selected file will be returned as an object containing both the file name and the base64 value. Otherwise, as presently disabled, it's just going to return the base64 object. And what is the base64 object? So if enabled, the file data is returned in base64 format, which is useful for direct processing or uploading. Otherwise, it's going to be returned as an asset object. So the asset object is just going to have extra information as well as the base64 object and the URI. So it's going to be more information in case we need it. But for purposes of this video, we're just going to output it as base64. Then we have multiple selection, allows users to select multiple files. When enabled, the result is an array of files instead of a single file. Then we have result name. This is the variable name where the file data is going to be stored. I'm going to be naming it response. Then after we do that, I'm going to be console logging it to the screen. Then I'm going to console log the response, close the action, open my console, then I'm going to pick a file. So once I pick this file, in the console log, we're going to see the base64 object. So this is the representation of our file button base64. If we go back to the select file, we enable return name and value. So now, instead of just returning this, it's also going to return the file name. So the file name is dummy.pdf. And now when we select this, the file name returns. And as you can see, it starts with name, dummy.pdf, then the value, which is the base64. And you can see here it says data application PDF. So it knows that this is a PDF file. Then let's disable this. Then when we enable multiple selection, now instead of returning a single item, it's going to return an array. So even though I have one PDF, as you can see, it's inside of an array. If you can see here, this is an opening tag and a closing tag of an array. So it means that it's expecting more than one item. And yeah, since displaying, this PDF to the screen is going to take a bit of time. So I think, just being able to see it in the console log will be enough for the demonstration. And yeah, that's how you use the file picker action in Draftbit. We've covered how to attach the file picker to the button's on-press trigger, how to configure key properties like return name, base64 output, and multiple selection. We've looked at how to handle the file response in the console log, and we've explained how this can be extended for further file uploads and further processing. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.